Hello everyone, today we are going to start question number 10 of exercise 10.5. Here we have given two circles, first circle with center O and radius R and diameter AB you can see, and second circle is with O dash as the center, R dash is the radius with this diameter AC intersecting each other at a point A and D, right? 2 points of intersection are there between two circles, maximum number of the intersections. Now to prove BDC is the line, we have to show that this BDC is the line, means we have to show that this angle is 180 degree, right? To show that this is a line, we have to show that this is 180 degree. So let us start the proof. So you know that BDA is 90 degree, this BDA is 90 degree because both the angle in the semicircle made by the chords is 90 degree, right? So angles in the semicircle made by the chords are always 90 degree. And CDA, again we can say that this is CDA, this angle is CDA, this is also 90 degree, and if you add both of these you will get 180 degree. And BC is only the line segment that is having these two angles, and the sum of the angles on this will be 180 degree, then you can say that BC is the line, right? Now let us come to question number 11. In this you have given ABC and ADC are two right angled triangles, this ABD and this ADC and this ABC. These are two right angled triangles with hypotenuse AC. This is the hypotenuse AC, right? Now to prove that angle CAD, this angle CAD, this one, and this angle CBD, this two, are equal. So let us start. We know that the ABC and ADC both are of 90 degree, we have given in the question. Now both are the angles in the semicircles, so both are in the semicircle, so you can take them 90 degree, and if you add them you will get 180 degree, means if you add 1 plus 2, this is 180 degree, right? So ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral because we have taken the sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. So ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral, and we can say that the angle in the same segments are equal. So we can say that angle CAD and CBD are equal. So this was the solution of question number 11. Now let us come to question number 12. What we have given here, ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. Right, in the parallelogram you know that opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. With the property of cyclic we can take the sum of opposite angles is 180 degree, right? And according to the parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so equal and sum is 180 degree, right? So this is the property. So to prove ABCD is the rectangle. Now let us start the proof. We know that the opposite angles in the parallelogram are equal, so you can take B and D are equal, but we have given they are cyclic also, the sum is 180 degree, so B plus D is 180 degree, and B and D are equal, so you can take 2 times of B is 180 and angle B is 90 degree. So both of B and D are 90 degree, so you can say that similarly A and C are also 90 degree and ABC is the rectangle. So that's all for today.